Welcome, today we're going to show you how to play Undertale Red and Yellow. So to actually get this mode, the first thing that you need to do is to search Undertale Red and Yellow on Game Banana website. After that, you need to actually find this one. It is the most downloaded Undertale Red and Yellow mode. So you need to click on it. And now from here you need to actually go down to the mode installer. So as you from here, after you go all the way down, you will find the files section and you can actually manual download. You can click on here and you can download the latest version of the mode. So now it will start downloading as you from here. So now after the mode downloads, you need to right click it and extract all the files from here. Click on extract and you will get the mode file as seen from here. So now what you need to actually do is to just copy all of these files. So now what you need to actually do is to just copy all of these files as seen from here. Just right click it and click on copy. Now you need to actually just go to Undertale files and paste all of these files. So if you don't know how to get to Undertale file location, you need to open Steam. And now if this is Undertale, you need to right click it and click on manage and go to browse local files. And now Undertale file location will open. So now you need to paste all of these files and after that you need to replace it onto Undertale folder. So the next thing that you need to actually do after you go to Undertale folder, you need to paste all of these files I see from here and find the data.win file. So now you need to open Delta Patcher and open this file on the Delta Patcher. I'll see from here. So I need to click on the original file and now you need to open the data.win file from here and apply the patch. Then the mode will work with you. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.